Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn standard 11 science maths chapter number 1 sets. Okay, it is also known as set theory, sets or set theory. The word set theory was developed by German mathematician George Cantor. George Cantor. Okay, what is the meaning of sets? Sets means collection. Simple meaning of sets is collection. In daily routine, we speak collection of objects, a team of people, a pack of cards, okay, etc. So it's a collection of sets. Okay, now what is the definition of sets? Okay, so we have to write down definition of sets. Sets, a well defined collection of objects means elements. We have to write down objects or element, or members. Also it is known as members. A well-defined collection of objects or elements or members. Okay, what is the meaning of well-defined collection? Okay, suppose I am asking one question. Okay, my question is, you have to list out of your subjects of standard 11. So answer is physics, chemistry, maths, English, computer, etc. Yes or no? Okay. Suppose I am asking same question to other person. So answer is again same. Yes or no? Answer is same because this person is already studied in same standard. So answer will be same. So whatever questions you have to ask person to person is doesn't change. Answer will be same. It is called well-defined collection. Is it clear? I am explain very deeply. Suppose I am same question. You have to write down a toughest subject of 11 science. Okay, so suppose I am asking person A. So answer will be physics or chemistry or maths or English or computer. For person A answer is physics. Yes or no? Suppose I am asking same question to person B. So answer is not same. It is physics or chemistry or maths or English or computer. So suppose person B answer will be chemistry. Same thing I am asking same question to person number C. So answer again is not same. Suppose answer will be English. So person to person answer is different. So it is not a well defined collection. So it is in this particular way, it is not a well defined. So it is not a set in mathematics. It is a set, it is a collection, but it is not a set in maths. Yes or no? Okay, next one more thing in sets. Set is denoted by capital letters. Okay. Write down notes. First, set is denoted by capital letters. Example: A, B, C, N, Z, myself Kaushal K, so on. Yes or no? I am writing some most useful example. Already we have to write the set of natural number. It is denoted by N. Okay. Set of natural number. It is denoted by N. Set of whole number. It is denoted by W. So the set is denoted by capital letters. Yes or no? Second, elements of given set or collection, it is denoted by generally we will denote by small letters. Elements represent by small letters. Suppose I am writing one set. Example: A is equals to the set of vowels in English alphabet. So A is equals to A, E, I, O, U. So you have to use small letters. Okay. What is the meaning of elements? Elements means we have to use in the given set members. Okay. It is called members. It is called objects, elements. A, E, I, O, U. It is called members, objects, or elements. Is it clear? Okay. Next topic: representation of sets. Representation of set. Okay. So there are two types of representation of set. First, simply we have to write down a listing form. So it is called list. And second is property. List is also known as listing method. And property, it is also known as property method. Simply property. Method. But in our syllabus NCERT, it is not used this name. Also, listing method is also known as a roster form. Okay, it is also known as a roster form. So here also write down roster form or tabular form. And a property method is also known as set builder form. Okay. Now I am taking one example. Suppose the set N, we have to denote by capital letters. N is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So it is called listing method. We have to list out, and we have to set is also we have to use by curly bracket. Also we have to study in standard 8th or 9th. So we have to write in curly bracket, not open bracket or not close bracket. So here in mathematics there are different meaning. So we have to discuss in next topic. Now we have to simply you have to remember the sets are denoted in curly bracket, and we have to put comma in between members or objects or elements. Okay, so n is equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is called roster form or tabular form or listing method or list, simple list. Okay, simple collection of numbers. Okay, so how to write set builder form in same question. So here we will write an example. N is equals to x colon x belongs to n. Is it true? We have to check. X colon, it is also read as such that there is a different symbol for such that. We have study in chapter number 14. It is symbol for such that. Okay, but here also we have to read as such that. Okay, x belongs to n. So in this set there are infinite members, but given set n is equal to only 1 to 6. So it is not true. So we have to add one more thing here, comma, x less than or equal to 6. We have to add one more notation here, x less than or equal to 6. What is the meaning of that? It denotes the value of x belongs to n but less than or equal to 6. So we have to understand by taking number line 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 0 is not in natural number. In natural number start from 1. So less than or 6. So we have to take only these numbers in this set. Okay, so it denotes 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it gives a property. It is called a property. It gives a property. So n is equal to x such that x belongs to n, x less than or equal to 6. So both are same meaning, but it is called listing method and it is called property method, or it is called roster form or tabular form, and it is called set builder form. Okay, exercise 1.1, question 1. Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. First, the collection of all the months of a year beginning with letter J. So what is the answer? We know that beginning with J. Okay, so answer is January, June and July. Okay, so the same question we have to ask other person. So answer again will be same, but sequence is I think different. Suppose some person writing first June or first July. Okay, some person writing first, second January, July, June. So answer is same, but sequence are different. So in set, sequence are not important. Okay, so here it is the collection of the month of a year beginning with letter J. It is a well defined collection, so it is a set. So answer is yes. Next, question number 2. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. So you have to thought most talented writers of India. So suppose I am asking person A. So answer. So there are many writers are talented. Okay. So answer is not same for all persons. So it is not a well-defined collection. Okay. So most talented, it is also known as subject. But we have to take in mathematics object. Okay. What is the definition of set? Okay. A well-defined collection of a sub object. Okay. So answer is no, because it is a person to person. Answer is different. That's why it is not a set. What about third? A team of 11 best cricket batsman of the world. Here again world. So there are many batsmen, okay, who are best cricketer. Okay, so again it is not a well defined. So again answer is no. Okay. Next question number 4. The collection of all boys in your class. Okay, suppose I am asking in your class any one person, you have to write down name of all boys. Okay, so answer. And suppose I am asking other person to same question, you have to write down name of the all boys. So answer will be same. So it answer person to person same. So it is a well defined set or collection. So answer is yes. Fifth, the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. Okay, we know that the set of natural number is n is equals to 1, 2, 3 up to infinite. But we have to write down less than 100. So we have to write easily 4 up to 99. So it is same answer for all. So it is a well defined collection. So answer is yes. 6. A collection of novels written by a writer Munshi Premchand. So here we have to write down a list of novels, okay, written by writer Munshi Premchand. So Munshi Premchand written limited books. Okay, so we have to write in same way. Okay, so here we have to ask any one person. So answer will be same, but sequence is not same. But in set we have to already discuss. In set sequence is not important. Okay, so here answer is person to person again same. So it is a well defined collection. So again answer is yes. Okay, next question number 7. The collection of all even integers. Okay, so here the given set is well defined because we have to write only even integers. Okay, so answer is yes. Next, 8 number, the collection of questions in this chapter. So in this chapter means in set there are limited questions. Okay, I am asking whatever person of class 11. So answer is same. Again I will repeat, sequence is not important in sets. In curly bracket sequence is not important. Suppose I am writing here 1, 2, 3 or 2, 3, 1, both are same meaning. So in this chapter in set there are limited questions. So again the collection of questions in this chapter is a well defined collection. So answer is yes. Again, what about 9th? A collection of most dangerous animals of the world. Okay, so suppose I am asking person A, you have to write most dangerous animals. So suppose person A writing lion. Okay, suppose I am asking same question to person B. So for this person answer is not lion. For this person answer is different. Okay, so it is not a well defined. Okay, so answer is no. Okay, next exercise 1.1 question number 2. Let A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the appropriate symbol epsilon or does not epsilon. It is also known as belongs to or not belongs to. It read as epsilon. Okay, it is a Greek word epsilon in the blank spaces. Okay, what is the meaning of belongs to or not belongs to? Simple thing. I am starting first example. First 5 blank A. So we have to check the given element, okay, or member is present in set A, yes or no. So we have to check. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 5 is in the set A. So answer is yes. So we have to write belongs to because it is present in set A. So belongs to. Next, second, 8 belongs to A or not belongs to A. Okay. So it is also belongs to. Okay. It is known as belongs to or it is known as not belongs to. Okay. Okay. So 8 is present or not in given set. So 8 is not there. So does not belongs to. Okay. 0. We have to check. Here only 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 0 is not there. So 0 does not belongs to A. 4 is belongs to A or not belongs to A. Exactly belongs to because 4 is here. So 4 belongs to A. What about the 5th? 2 belongs to or not belongs to. So again I will check. 2 is present. So 2 belongs to and last 6th 10 is belongs to A or not belongs to A. So we have to check. So here again I will repeat here 6 element and 1, 2, 6. So 10 is not present. Okay. So here 10 does not belongs to A.